Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. In this video, let us understand the necessary details about a voter ID card. A voter ID card, also known as Elector's Photo Identity Card, is issued by Election Commission of India to all Indian citizens who are eligible to vote. The purpose of voter ID card is to serve as an identity proof and prevent impersonation and frauds during free and fair democratic elections. The card is also known as election card. Let us first take a look at the structure of the voter ID card. The front side of the card contains the following information: a unique serial number, photograph of the card holder, a hologram containing respective state or national symbol, name of the card holder's father's name, gender of the card holder, and card holder's date of birth. On the rear side of the card, the card holder's residential address and the signature of the issuing authority will be present. First of all, you have to verify if your name is already present in the electoral roll or not. The steps to verify are: Step 1. Visit National Voter Services portal. The link for the website is given in the description. Step 2. Select Search Name in the Electoral Roll option. Step 3. Enter your details and verify. If your name is not already present in the electoral roll, then it is recommended that you apply for inclusion. In order to apply for inclusion, you must have satisfied the following eligibility criteria. That is, you must be an Indian citizen, you must be aged 18 years or above, and you must have a permanent address. In addition, you must prepare the following documents before you apply. That is, identity proof, address proof, and photograph. A citizen of India can apply for name inclusion in the electoral roll either online or offline. Method 1. Online application. Step 1. Log in to the National Voter Service portal. Step 2. Click the Fresh Inclusion or Enrollment option. Step 3. Form 6 will appear. Fill in the details, upload a photo and supporting documents with reference to voter ID status and submit the form. Method 2. Offline application. Step 1. Visit the nearest state election office and request for Form 6. Step 2. Fill in the form with necessary details and provide supporting documents. Step 3. Submit the application form along with the supporting documents to the office. After the necessary verification of all the details you have provided in the form, a voter ID card will be issued. In case your name is already present in the electoral roll but there are updates or corrections in your information, then you can make the corrections either online or offline. For example, there may be a change in your address, or there may be a mistake in your date of birth or name. If you wish to make online correction, then Step 1. Log in to the National Voter Services portal. Step 2. Click on Correction in Personal Details option. Step 3. Fill out the Form 8 indicating the necessary corrections to your information and upload supporting documents. Step 4. Submit the form. If you wish to make the corrections offline, visit the nearest state election office, request for Form 8, fill up the necessary details, attach supporting documents, and submit them to the office. Upon submitting an application to the office, you can track the status of the application. Step 1. Visit the NVSP website and click on Track Application Status icon on the home page. Step 2. Enter your reference ID provided in the acknowledgement. Step 3. Click on Track Status button. Wondering why a voter ID card is necessary? A voter ID card serves as a proof of your identity and address. The card is an acknowledgement that the card holder is a registered voter. Also, the voter ID card can be utilized to avail the benefits of many government schemes. I hope the video was informative. Please like and share my video. Subscribe to ClearTax channel and hit the bell button to receive updates of our latest videos. Thank you.